Baskets.
Thank you. Thank you.
Great to see you getting an Emmy nod and all of that type of stuff. I thought you were incredible on that show. Obviously, huge.
In the event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh, did you?
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my
Because it's funny. I think you're laughing at the corny. It's corny. It's just
No, I'm
so
laughing.
corny.
I'm laughing at how much money I have. I'm rich. You know what I mean?
Man.
Have you ever? You have?
Yeah.
Tell me about that.
How's the weather there now?
It's fine. It's like, it's just the people in
You look like a fire hydrant, man.
No, they assumed I was with the circus.
The effervescent beauty.
To be here till who knows when. I mean, nobody really knows. It's very stressful, obviously. And my wife is my hero. My wife is my hero. She's
You ready?
Times. So. Oh yeah, man. Yeah, you do kung fu, don't you? That's how long you been catering card. Remember to
Yeah. Well, you got
Extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging and
It's my show.
killing it for you, boy. Killing it.